Now let's see how to make the fruit salad. Fruits contain important minerals and vitamins like vitamin C and E that help boost immunity. Consumption of fruits on a regular basis can boost the immunity of your child. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and contain a good amount of omega-3 fats. Now, let's see the ingredients needed to make the fruit salad. The following fruits needs to be finely chopped. This is apple, this is papaya, banana, orange, dates, and also we need walnuts, which should be finely crushed.